Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Cities Skylines, not launching, crashing, or freezing on PC. First, restart your computer and then restart Steam. Click on Steam at the top, select Exit, relaunch Steam, and try launching the game again. Next, open Task Manager and make sure the game is not running in the background. If you see it running, end the task and launch the game again. Now verify the game files. Open Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Then launch the game. If the issue continues, go to C Drive, Users, Your Username, App Data, Local. Enable hidden items if you don't see app data, then find the Cities Skylines folder and rename or delete it. You can also try launch options. Right-click the game in Steam, Properties, Launch Options and type DX11, or try DX12. Also update your graphics driver from the NVIDIA or AMD website and make sure Windows is updated. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.